Hi, Charlie. I see the problem that you're having here, and we can fix it. There's a number of things that weren't done early on that made this a problem. Okay, so the first thing I want to point out is what you see up here, this menu, is not the menu you created. That's the default menu from Inspiro. We want to get rid of that. But let's go back. This is the menu you actually created in the Elementor header and footer, and that looks very similar to what you had created in your Figma. So this is what you want to have as your header, okay? So now we need to make sure that we get it mapped in as your header. So let's go back to your home page. Let's go to Customize. And let us go to, let's go to Header first to see, actually, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go to Menu. And I am going to want to have the menu you created. And so I'm going to click off this one, which is the menu that was created by Inspiro. So we're getting rid of that. So I'm going to publish that. The next thing we're going to do is make sure that your menu is mapped in the dashboard. So let's go down to Appearance, and Menus. We'll look here first just to make sure we have what you want there. We do, good. Then that's okay, so we don't have to make changes there. So now we're going to go to Appearance, Elementor Header and Footer Builder, and I'm going to Edit. And what you'll notice here is that you have not specified where to show your header, and what it is. So we have to say that this is a header and that it is going to be displayed on the entire website, and we are going to have to update that. And so what should happen now is that the header you created here, your custom header, should now appear. So let's take a look. So that's what it looks like now. So let's go to your home page and take a look, and now it is in better shape. So that's what we need to do. Although I'd say if we wanted one refinement, if you notice your hover effect, it's not the greatest color choice there. So I am going to go over here to Style, and I'm going to suggest on the hover that we have a slightly different color. Well, let's try that. So I'm not sure I like that either, but let's see. Let's try black on the hover effect. That looks a little bit better. So you can change it back to nothing, but I think this will look better so that when somebody's hovering over it, it's easier to see rather than just having it disappear by being the same color as the background. All right, so I think that should take care of your problem. So now I'm going to just refresh this and see what it looks like now. If you wanted this to be higher up, because I thought you wanted this to kind of enter as you wanted this to be kind of full image so people see it right away, I might make this smaller, make this text smaller, and make your name a little bit smaller so that we could see the entire video all at once. But of course, that's a personal preference and completely your choice. One other thing I wanted to point out for a quick, easy fix to improve something to make it look more like your Figma page. We go to our About Me page. Let's go to Edit with Elementor. Oh, except one second. I made a copy of it, so I don't actually edit your current one. I wanted to edit a duplicate of it. So as we scroll down, you'll notice that your text is really close to the edge here, and it's a bit claustrophobic. And it's different than how you designed it in Figma, in which we had margins all around. So this is not a difficult fix to make. We are simply, just pull it over, so we're simply going to go to the Edit, and I'm going to go to Advanced, and let's put a margin around it. Let's just say 50. And there we have a margin around it. And it was all this kind of darker green color. So I would go here and I would choose that if you wanted to get it to be the same as your Figma. All right, so that's another just quick fix to make it a little bit stronger. Let me see what else we had. When you notice like your writing's a lot smaller there. I suppose it does that. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, just a small little thing. I'll just publish that, but it's in the duplicate one. It's not in yours. If you wanted to do it, you would do it on your own copy. All right. Let me know if that works. Bye-bye.